How to block a customer on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to block a customer on Shopify. First of all guys, open up your Shopify account and click on apps left down corner. Then click on recommended apps. After that, this page will pop up. You just need to scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. So in Shopify App Store, you need to search for an application called Fraud Filter. So click on Fraud Filter and then tap on Add App. And then click on Install App. After that guys, the fraud filter will be added as a new app on your Shopify store. You can play around however you want. You can, for example, add a filter and create a name of it. For example, when to cancel an order or warning, or to also add a warning for a particular email of a customer that you don't want to work with, or a scammer, etc. You get the point. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. This is how easy to block a customer on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everybody for watching. Until next time.